Is Keshu Inu going to be the Shiba Inu, or is it gonna be even a better meme coin to really blow up and take off even much further than Shiba did? So if you are a Keshu Inu investor, then video is definitely for you. Watch the video till the end and make sure to hit the subscribe button, as it motivates me to make content daily. At the 1 hour chart, we are still up by 5%, and we look at the 24-hour chart, we are up by 27%. In 1 month, we are up by about 4000%. That's too huge. This coin has got some future. On CoinMarketCap, Keshu Inu is on 80,000 watch list, which shows that the coin is very popular and is still gaining popularity. Now let's have the look at the website of Keshu Inu coin. It says little meme, big dream. Keshu Inu is a community-focused decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for holders. Join the Moon mission. The good thing about Keshu Inu is that it is community powered. Keshu is fully decentralized and owned by its fun, vibrant community. We welcome and embrace diverse perspectives to build Keshu into the best community in crypto. Another good thing about Keshu is that you just earn Keshu coins just by transacting, just by buying and selling. Now let's have the look of the Keshu Inu token statistics. The market cap is about 1.5 billion US dollars with a total supply of 100 quadrillion. It has more than 100,000 holders. They have come with their own exchange that is known as Keshu Swap. Keshu Swap is their official decentralized exchange DEX. It gives holders the ability to swap any ERC20 token for another one. It is powered by UNICEF, the safest and most trusted DEX in the world. Furthermore, it acts as the foundation from which we build additional features and functionality exclusive to Keshu holders. This is the moon map of the Keshu Inu coin. Keshu was launched on April 17, 2021 and quickly became one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies of 2021. The moon map is a breathing document that lays out keys, milestones we plan to hit or continue rapid growth. Now let's have a look on the Twitter account of Keshu Inu. It has more than 40,000 followers. I mean, that is insane. That's huge in such a short period of time. So many things have happened in the last 24 hours for this coin. It has been listed on 4 exchanges and New York City, Times Square, Billboard, all within 12 hours. They are just a month old. So I think that's good news from the Keshu Inu community. Now let's have a look at the article. Now let's have a look on an article. It says Keshu Inu was only launched last month, but a single coin is now worth 0.00000000112 and already has a market cap of about 1 billion US dollars according to CoinMarketCap. So what do you think, guys? Is it going to be the next Dogecoin, or is it going to be the next Shiba Inu coin? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you everyone.